Good evening to everybody. Welcome to the All India Bar Examination 16th court. Today is the last date of my online coaching, and I think I have successfully completed the 19 courses or subjects. Yes.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good
Sir,
evening.
I
Good evening
happy
to
that
everybody.
you are completing. Very it is almost you are doing a yajnam, yagam like sir. You are like really
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And you are making me, especially for me, sir. Otherwise, I would have not gone through any book at all. Because
Okay,
of this,
sir.
I am just opening, reading some. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Now, can anyone unmute and read what I put on the screen? Hurry up.
Sir, good evening, sir. All India Bar Examination 16/2021, Public Interest Litigation, Multiple Choice Questions, Virtual Class on 22nd October 2021, 6:40 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Professor Dr. Muhammad Sahib Hussain.
Yes.
Public interest in litigation, issues of public interest or mass interest, general laws related to the pill, etc. I think so. This is the last class, sir. You have so much patience, sir. Thank you very much. Sir.
Yes, sir. It's appreciate to me that I got the chance to, because a person who says definitely says because he's having the enthusiasm. But a person who wants to listen, he should have the great patience. That is the a test for the patience for that one. Okay. Let us come to the point of the first question is India had to wait till 1986 when the then Chief Justice Dash introduced public interest litigation PIL to the Indian judicial system. Who is that justice? Justice P.N. Bhagwati, Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer, Justice Y.V. Chandrachud,
Yes, sir.
or Justice
P.N.
Khanna?
Bhagavati.
It is a P.N.
Yes, sir.
Bhagwati. Yes,
Yes,
Prema
sir.
has given the right answer. So the score started now. The batting started now that she won the 1 mark. Okay, let us come to the second question. Match the following person from the part 1 and their involvement in the part 2. Number 1, P.V. Narasimha Rao. 2, Jain. 3, Satish Sharma. 4, crusading petitioner. In the B side, part 2 side, petrol pump scandal. B, H.D. Shauri. C, JMM bribery case. D, Hawala controversy. Now the here 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A, 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B, 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B, 1C, 2A, 3D, 4B. See, one person has connected to one the offenses which is shouted and which is shown over here are the things which is shown over here. Who are they and what are they? That's my point. Okay, the answer is here I have given P.V. Narasimha Rao, JMM bribery case. Then which one is the correct one? Then 1C, okay, very good. Jain, Hawala controversy. That is a 1C, 2D, okay, very good. Then Satish Sharma, petrol pump scandal. Satish Sharma, petrol pump scandal means A. That means which one is right? 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B is right answer. Sir, we did not read like these are Hawala cases and crusading petitioner H.D. Shauri. So these are the attached to them. Like, but this is a very easy question. Who is the
MC
green
Mehta, sir.
liar? Yes.
Sir, C for
C, sir.
C, sir. MC Mehta.
Now you tell me what is the full form of the MC Mehta? Here I have
Mahesh
given
Chandra Mehta.
Mahesh Chandra
Yes,
Mehta,
sir.
Mahesh Chandra Mehta, Mahesh Chandra Mehta, Mahesh Chandra Mehta. Which one is the right one?
D, sir. Mahesh Chandra Mehta.
Mahesh Chandra Mehta, sir.
Yes, sir.
you
Yes,
are
sir.
right.
Mahesh Chandra Mehta.
B
Yes,
is
sir.
right. B is right. Mahesh Mahesh Chandar Chandder space Mehta Mahesh Chandra Mehta. Who is Mahesh Chandra Mehta among these two? Anyone? Among these two photographs, who is the
Left one, sir. Left one.
left one is MC Mehta. Who is the right one?
Don't know, sir.
Tushar Mehta.
Tushar Mehta.
Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, Venugopal picture, I have not put it over there, but in the last time when I dealt it, no, I shown them everybody. Okay, fifth one. India. In India, the first PL was filed in the year 1976. A. Commissioner of Income Tax versus Kerala Agro. B. This Harigara Power Supply Company Limited. C. Kamgar Sabha versus Abdullah Bhai, Fazul Bhai and others. D. Commissioner of Income Tax versus Kerala Spinners Limited. I say filed in the year 1976. Which case law? First case law. I thought that you will give the answer to me because it is a famous case law. Kamgar Sabha versus Mrs. Abdul Bhai, Fazullah Bhai and others. That is the first case law where the PL was filed in the year 1976.
Yes, sir.
Section
Okay.
3, sir. Section 3 of
Now,
832.
yes. Sixth question is, the seed of the PIL was sown by Dash through his landmark judgment. Who was the person who has given the landmark judgment?
Sir, Justice Bhagavati.
No.
Justice
Krishna Iyer, sir.
Bhagavati.
Krishna
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Iyer. It is a justice. We are Krishna Iyer given the first sown it, but developed by the Bhagavati. And the first case law heard is different. Again, I will come to the point. The term PL originated in the United States in the mid 1960s, 1970s, 1980s, 1990s.
See, sir.
1980,
See,
sir.
1980.
1980s, sir.
1980s is the right answer. Yes, most of the people done well. Okay. This case dash 1979 became the first PL to be heard. See, filed is different, heard is different. Holt versus Sarwar, MH Haskat versus State of Maharashtra, Hussein Aru Khatun versus State of Bihar, and Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India.
See,
Sir,
sir.
C,
See,
sir.
sir. C,
See,
C.
sir.
Hasan
You are
Khatun
sir.
versus State of Bihar.
right. Hussein Ara Khatun versus State of Bihar
State
is
of
the
Bihar.
first case law which is heard under the PIL. Okay, next is, at times even the court can take cognizance of a matter if it is one of dash and appoint an advocate to handle the case. A. Utmost private importance. B. Uttermost public importance. C. Most public importance. D. Utmost public importance.
See, sir. Most public importance.
No.
No, sir. D, sir.
Sir?
Utmost
D
public
is the
importance.
right answer. Utmost public importance is the right answer. Okay. Yes, can anybody will unmute and read the 10th question? Here. 10th question.
The rule that PL can only be heard in A. District Court, B. District and Session Court, C. High Court, D. Central Industrial Tribunal. Answer is C, sir. High Court.
High Court, sir.
High Court.
Yes, answer
Yes,
is
sir.
C. Very nice. You scored just a more. Okay, of course, other also given, but the point is no chorus they have given that I could not see whose name it is given over there because, of course, first name will come first, no doubt, in this computer. Okay, Singham Janardhan, do you want to speak anything? Because they said speaking is there.
No,
Okay.
no, sir.
Okay.
I want to say, see High Court. Chorus.
Okay, okay, well, yes, because whenever a person speaks, no, I could see the names here. Okay, let us come to the next question. The 11th is, which statement is false? If false, no, is false. Okay, locus standi is mandatory in traditional litigation. B, locus standi is not mandatory in public interest litigation. C, PL is undertaken only by the apex court of the state. D, for filing the PL, one should not be a citizen of India.
B, sir.
I say
D,
false.
sir, I think.
I say
C.
false.
C.
Sir, see, sir. See, sir. Apex court is only for in the New Delhi Supreme Court, sir. Here is the
No.
state of the state, sir.
No. No.
Okay, sir.
I say false. Because
B,
generally,
B locus standi, sir.
no, local standi is mandatory in a traditional
Not
litigation.
mandatory in
It's a true statement. It's a true statement. In traditional litigations, they will ask the local standi. It's a true statement. Local standi is not mandatory in
Maybe-
public interest lit. Yes, it is
D.
also a true statement.
D,
Yes, it
sir,
is not
for
D,
a
sir.
filing the
D,
PL
sir.
For
150.
filling the pill,
D,
one
for
should
filing
not
the
be citizen
PL,
of
one
India.
should not be a citizen of India. That is a false. One should be a citizen of India. One should be a citizen of India to file
One
it.
should be,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir, correct.
See, that's why I want to see your IQ. This is not available in any book, not available anywhere. This is hard work of the Professor Hussain. Okay, next 12th question is, government employees can file PIL since the right to judicial remedies is a dash.
A constitutional right, sir.
Fundamental, yes, you are right.
Constitution.
Today Bahubali is present, today is absent Bahubali. Okay, that is the first is a constitutional right, not a fundamental right, not executive right, not judicial right. Okay. Next, third question is, right, read anyone? Anyone can read?
The right to equality means hello.
Yes, yes, continue it.
Okay, means the absence of legal discrimination only on the grounds of A, race, caste, religion, sex, and place of birth. B, caste, religion, race, sex, and place of birth. C, caste, religion, caste, race, religion, sex, and place of birth. D, caste, race, sex, religion, place of birth.
Correct
B, sir, correct.
sequence.
B, sir. Caste, religion, race, sex, and place of birth.
No,
A, sir. A, sir. Race, caste, religion, sex, and place of birth.
no.
Yes, sir.
C, sir.
D, sir. Caste,
C.
race, sex.
C is the right
Caste, race,
answer.
and C.
Right to equality means the absence of legal discrimination only on the grounds of caste, race, religion, sex, and place of birth. That is the right sequence. That means the 13th question C is the right answer. Now the 14th question, any citizen can file a public case by filing a petition. That is a PIL, not public case. Okay, that is a said to be the PIL. Okay, public case we can say. Yes, any citizen can file a PIL case by filing a petition. A, under 32 of the Indian Constitution in the Supreme Court. B, under 226 of the Constitution in the High Court. C, under section 133 of the Criminal Procedure Code in the Court of Magistrate. D, all of the above.
All of the above.
A, sir. A.
Actually, I want to confuse it so that I want to remove it. I want to say any one of
A,
it
sir.
or not, I
All of
should
the
not say.
above, sir.
But
All
in
of-
practically, you tell me.
Under
All of the
Art 32
above.
of our Indian Constitution in Supreme Court, sir. Article 32.
Even one can go for the Supreme Court or one can go for the state, but generally, though it is written 133 of the Criminal Procedure Code, did you hear anyone filed a case in the PIL in the magistrate court?
No, sir.
It is only, it is a theoretically it will begin, and I don't think that is a practically it is a feasible over there. But in public they say, not public interest they say. Any citizen can file a public case by filing a petition. That is the wording they used. They did not use the public interest. They say public case, they said.
Magistrate
anyway.
Court, it will be 133.
Yeah, generally it is a 32 and 226 will be the tapped over there, but other things will not be tapped. But the public cases, okay, 133 can also be tapped, but not the public interest litigation. This is my view, subject to the correction. Okay. Now here you can say all of the above. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now, see, Muslim can marry 4 at a time. Is it practically feasible? Yes.
Practically not feasible, sir.
It is theoretically it is there already. In the same way. Somebody is speaking Singham Janardhan in your house. I could hear the voice.
Okay.
Okay. Then 15th question. Public interest litigation is not defined in any dash or in any dash. It has been interpreted by judges to consider the intent of the public at large. A, act and statute. B, statute and act. C, section and provision. D, provision and section. Which
Sir,
one is
it's
the right?
B, sir, statute and an act.
It is a statute and act, not act and statute. Please note the point. So public interest litigation is that. I have shown the feedback also.
Yes, sir.
Because in the meantime that I forgotten actually to slow down. Okay, doesn't matter. Because statutes we should have to use the first, later the acts we should come over there. Because statutes is formed by the parliamentarian, later on in some of them we are directly taken, and the act is we after the independent day that we enacted. Okay, state is there, state laws are there, and the central is there, central laws are there. Okay, now 16th question. Can anybody will open and read? Unmute and read. 16th question.
The judgment of the case recognized sexual harassment as a violation of the fundamental constitutional rights of Article 14, Article 15 and Article 21 not only available to the citizens but also to the non-citizens to A. SP Gupta versus Union of India. B. Indian Banks Association Bombay and versus others versus MS Devakala. Consultancy services and others. C. Vaishaka versus State of Rajasthan. D. Usijanara Kahatur versus State of Bihar.
C, sir,
C,
Vishaka
sir.
versus State of
It is the
Rajasthan.
Vishaka versus state of Rajasthan. That girl, she is a Bangladesh lady, and she has taken the railway Nilayam shelter. Of course, she came there on the platform. These people have taken to her the railway Nilayam there, and they gang raped over there. That they say Article 21 not only applicable to the citizen, it can also be extended to the non-citizen also. That is given here. Also, this case lies the vicarious liability would be there. Railway board is held liable. Even though railway employees are not employed to make the gang rape. First and foremost, the state has to pay it. Later on, it can be reimbursed from the people, those who did such an act. Okay, now 17th is a public interest litigation can be filed against a state or central government. B. Municipal authorities. C. Any private party. D. Only A and B.
Only A and B, sir. D,
Sir.
D, sir.
Only A and B is the right answer, because not any private party, not I removed it. That's why I put the option only A and B in this way that I did it. So this is the one way that we can make it out. Then we'll go to the next screen. Then we can find it. Yes, this case law we already discussed just now. Can you repeat the case law? Okay, 18th case law. Anyone repeat? I want to say
The court located the rights to dignity and privacy within the right to life and liberty guaranteed by Article 21 of the Constitution, and held that criminalization of consensual gay sex violated these rights was observed in the case of A. K. Basu versus State of West Bengal. B. Nash Foundation versus Government of City of Delhi. C. SP Gupta versus President of India and others. D. Above A and C.
B, sir. I think.
Yes, it's D, sir, mostly.
no,
Because both of
it's a B.
are
Yes, sir. A and C is same, sir.
I thought A and
B
C.
is
I
correct,
think
sir.
that it comes under A and C. Both are right, because
yes, sir. Both
this
are
is SP
A and
Gupta
C.
also. SP Gupta also this is dealt over there, but not the K Basu. That the Basu is the case law is very different case law. Okay, here we can say
Yes, sir.
the answer is above A and C is the right answer. We can say over here. Okay, PIL has an important role to play in the civil justice system, in that it affords dash to justice to disadvantaged section of the society, some of which might not even be well informed about their rights. Now, A, stairs or steps. B, lift. C, ladder. D, escalator. This I taught last time.
Sir, mostly it will be ladder, sir.
It is a ladder. It is a ladder to justice to a disadvantaged section of the society, and some of which may not even be well informed about their rights. Okay, next is the following not covered except one, the following below, to file a case under the PIL. Service matters and those pertaining to the pension and gratuity. B. Admissions to medical and other educational institution. C. Neglected children. D. Petition for a early hearing of the case pending in the high courts and subordinate courts. See, first understand the question. The following not
C, sir.
covered. It is a C. Neglected children. Except one of the following, a file can under the PAL. So that is the answer. Which case law is not filed or decided under the PAL?
Sir,
Yes.
why neglected children and not supposed?
See, the point no, it is the state will take up the issue over there. If the state will not be taken the issue over there, you cannot bring an action against the state. Because it is one of the conditions they put it over there, the directive principle of state policy. Could you challenge the directive principle of state policy in the court of law? Number one, they say not covered except one in the following below to file the case.
Okay, sir, right, correct.
See, the point is not covered except one of the following below.
Yes, sir, not
So
covered.
neglected children can be covered, but other
Neglected
things
Not covered, sir.
not covered. That's the point over there. That's why I told you, no, read the question, then you have to go to the answer for that one. Okay, which case law is not filed or decided under the PAL? DC Wado versus State of Bihar, AR, Ruplal versus Union of India, judges transfer case, or Paramanand Katara versus Union of India.
Yes, sir, permanent.
So here answer is B, Ruplal versus Civil, which is not covered. It is a fully the plaintiff name Ruplal Abroli, and this is comes under the state liability. Union of India is the state liable, but other case laws are covered. So Ruplal case law is not covered over there in the PIL. Okay, 21. That is a question I made it later. AQ. The Indian judiciary, courtesy of the PAL, has helped in dash down a few controversial policy questions on which the society was sharply divided. Heating, warming, cooling, raising. Cooling down is the right, exactly that. Down a few controversial policy questions on which the society was sharply decided. Okay, what is the landmark case law? Judgment by the Supreme Court in India. Banned smoking in a public places were observed in the case of which case law where the public smoking is banned? Bandhu Mukti Morcha. B. Murli S. Dogra.
C, sir. Delhi
Delhi domestic.
Delhi Domestic
Domestic
Working Women's
work.
Forum versus Union of India. D. Vishaka versus State of
Yes, sir.
Rajasthan. Because just now we heard the Vishaka case law also PAL case law, but it belongs to the vicarious liability, number one. Number two, Article 21 also applicable to the non-citizens. Bandhu Mukti Morcha, it is about the bonded labor case law. Then the right
B,
answer is Murli S. Dogra versus Union of India. There it is decided
Yes, sir.
that smoking in a public place were banned in that case law. See, deals with the bonded labor. First one is C is the rehabilitation of the compensation to the victim domestic woman. SC giving the exhaustive guideline preventing the sexual harassment for a working woman, and so on and so forth. That I give the feedback. But the exact case law is the Murli S. Dogra versus Union of India, is where the smoking in the public place is banned. Okay, now this is the. Let us see that whether you can give the answer for this one or not. This court observed in the case of Dash that the custodial death in perhaps one of the worst crimes in civilized society governed by the rule of law. The right inherent in Article 21 and Article 22(1) of the Constitution requires to be jealously and scrupulously protected. In which case law it is decided? S.P. Gupta versus President of India and others, or Hussain Ara Khatun and others versus Home Secretary, or the K. Basu versus State of Bengal, or Sunil Batra versus Delhi administration and others.
D, sir.
Give the full answer.
Sunil Batra versus Delhi administration and others.
No.
Sir, B,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
B,
Hussain
sir, B,
Khatun
sir. Hussain Ara Khatun and others
No.
versus
versus the Home Secretary.
Yes, sir. S.P. Gupta versus President of India.
No.
E only.
Finally, sir.
K. Basu versus
Last.
State of Bengal, it is decided that in a civilized society governed by the rule of law, the right inherent in the section 21 and 22(1) of the Constitution required to be jealously and scrupulously protected over there. In that case, like is decided. Of course, it is a bit tough case law, tough one, but I don't know whether you could do it or not. Better we go from the reverse order, then we'll see that how much we can cover in the reverse order, we can say. Yeah. Yes. The Supreme Court had dismissed these cases not on their validity as PALs, but on the logical conclusion given by the judge. A PAL was also filed in the Supreme Court to seek ban on the publication of the allegedly obscene and nude photographs in the newspaper. Some so-called public-spirited lawyers knocked the door of the courts against. In the following case, PAL was dismissed or not allowed except one. Only one is allowed, but other things are dismissed. Now you tell me which one is allowed, which one is not allowed. Yes?
Sir,
Just use the
the fourth
logic.
one, sir.
Fourth,
The
yes.
marriage of former Miss World.
No. Just to use the logic, you will
Yeah,
understand.
it's one, sir. Richard Gere public kissing Indian actress Miss Shilpa Shetty.
No.
One.
See, you first you read the question. In the following cases, PAL was dismissed or not allowed, but only one case it is allowed. Just you use your logic, because you told there the PAL case heard. In which case?
Sir, three. Hussain Ara Khatun versus State of Bihar.
The first case means that is Babu Bhai Abdul Gai Karmachari. That is the first case. Okay, but heard is a Khatun Ara case. Means public intervention litigation is entertained or not there. It is entertained. So that is the right answer for that. But other cases, they dismissed it. Okay, now, in a recent years, PAL has been brought not only for the violation of fundamental rights, but also for the various other issues. The following one issue, PAL is not entertained, specify which one among given below list. PAL is not entertained, specify which one among the given below list. Sexual harassment in the workplace, tubectomy, female foeticide, or infanticide. Sexual harassment in the workplace, already we have seen. Vishaka versus State of Rajasthan.
Female feticide, sir.
Female feocide.
No,
Female feticide.
we can bring an action
Yes, sir.
against the state. Tubectomy operations.
Entertained, not entertained, sir. Okay.
No, the tubectomy operations, suppose if you file, no, you can file a case in the medical negligence, but not APIL.
Oh, not yes, sir. Exactly.
You can file a case in the medical negligence,
Not right.
or you can file a case in the consumer commission.
Yes.
Suppose if it is not free, you paid for that one. At that instance, you can file in the civil court, in the commercial commission, that is a consumer commission, when you paid it. Services means deficiency of the services were there, under that category that you can file it. Okay, now next is cautions against the tendency of the public to use the PAL frivolously. PAL is a weapon which must be used with a great care and circumspection. The courts need to keep in view that under the guise of the redressing the public grievances, PAL does not encroach upon the sphere reserved by the Constitution to the executive and the legislative. According to who said these words? D.D. Basu, Justice P.N. Bhagwati, Professor M.P. Jain, or Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer?
MP Jain, sir.
MP Jain said these words. And everybody think that either the Bhagwati or Krishna Iyer.
No, sir. Both.
everybody thinks
Actually,
the Bhagwati or the Krishna Iyer.
no, sir. Iyer
Yes.
wrote of the judgments in several notable cases of social rights.
Acha. Yeah, you are right. You are right.
He
That
actually
logic,
wrote
is, that
about
logic, logic, you have to use it. The logic, you have to use it at the time. I'm sure that you will get it. Okay. At present, the court can treat a letter as a writ petition and take action upon it. But it is not every letter which may be treated as a writ petition by the court. The court would be justified in treating the letter as a writ petition only in the following one, where it cannot treat as a writ case. Where it cannot treat as a writ case. A, it is only where the letter is addressed by an aggrieved person, or B, a private spirited individual, C, a social action group for the enforcement of the constitutional other legal rights of a person, custody, or class of group of person who by reason of poverty, disability, or socially or economically disadvantaged position find it difficult to approach the court for redress. And D, only the correct answer is B.
D, sir.
It is a D, only the right correct answer is D, that is the B, a private spirited individual. A private spirited individual could not file a writ petition. So that was the thing where it can be comes. Then we'll go to the in reverse order. Public interest litigation is the use of the law to advance human rights, equality, or raise issues of a broad public concern.
All of the above, sir.
It is
D,
all of
sir.
the above.
D. All of the above.
Yes, is a human rights or equality or rise issue of the broad public concern. So all of the above is the right answer for the term. The value of public interest litigation or public interest litigation can, one among the four is not PIL. Clarify the law. Help to develop the law by giving a judge an opportunity to interpret legislation. Give vulnerable people a voice by the highlighting an important issue and providing a platform for advocating for their rights. D, raise the awareness of important issues, encouraging public debate and media coverage.
Yes, sir. Clarify.
D, sir.
You see, once again, the value of public interest litigation or public interest litigation can, one among the four is not PIL, means not ground for the PIL.
B, sir. Help to undevelop the law.
Help to underdevelop the law by giving judges an opportunity to interpret the legislation. No, it is not ground for that one. But clarify the law, you can ask for that one. The other thing that you can ask for that one.
Not fit for pills.
Yeah. The B is that it is not a ground we can file a PIL. Okay, next question, third. Public interest litigation, PIL is a synonymous to A, action social legislation, B, social action legislation, C, social litigation action, D, litigation social action.
Is social action litigation.
Sir.
Yes, Dr.
Social
is
litigation
right.
action.
Yes, section B, right. Premalathar also right. Dr. also right. I don't know whether Bahubali had told or not, given the answer or not. But the
No, sir. I have not given the answer.
Yes. I accept your truth. Social action litigation is the right answer, and this is the right. Okay, next. Yeah, B is the right answer. You are right. The PL is litigation introduced in the court of law by three persons or party, not one among them. One among them, not them. By the aggrieved party, but by the court itself, by any other private party, by any other group of person, organization, and not by the aggrieved party. Which one is the?
B, sir. By any other.
By the
C,
court.
sir.
Private party. C, sir.
Private party, sir.
Private party is not there actually. Yeah?
C, sir.
So C would be the right answer, not one among them, because By the aggrieved party, definitely they
Yes,
can
sir.
have the locus ground. And but by the court itself, yes, suo moto. What about the Shanti Bhushan case law, suo moto? Yes, yes. So it is not necessary for the exercise of the court jurisdiction, but the person who is the victim of the violation of his right should be personally approached to the court. That the feedback means not by any other private party. Is a point. Okay, next is the splendid efforts of Justice P.N. Bhagwati and Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer were instrumental of the juristic revolution of 80s to convert the apex court of India into a dash Supreme Court for entire Indians, or Supreme for total Indians, Supreme Court for all Indians, or Supreme Court for whole Indians.
See, sir, Supreme Court for all Indians.
It is the Supreme Court for all Indians is the right answer. Okay. Then, which was the first case law? Ah, sir, we know it, sir. Yes, what is that?
B, sir.
B, sir, B. B for Bombay.
Yes, because already heard this is. But the first case law means it is a hard case law, it is.
Yes,
Because
sir.
there is a plea of 4,000 and the trial prisoners are detained in the jail and find one of the prisoners, the hard case law. But what is the first case law which is filed under the PIM? Karmachari Sangam case law that I referred it now. That is the first case law. But hard case law is Hussain Ara Khatun case law is hard case law. So that is the distinction between the two where we can say it. Okay, let us see the concept of a public interest litigation. PL is in consonance with the principle enshrined in dash of the Constitution of India to protect and deliver the prompt social justice with the help of law. Which article is the
B,
PIL?
sir.
Sir, 39A. B, sir, B.
39A. You are right. When you are reading now, you should say that
Sir,
Article
capital A,
39,
sir.
capital A. That is the style
Yes,
of
sir.
Okay, now PIL in India has been a part of the dash litigation and not civil litigation.
Natural.
C, sir.
D, none of the above.
B may be the right answer for that one. Why?
None of the
It is a
above.
constitutional litigation. PIL
None of
in
the
India
above.
has been a part of the constitutional litigation. And that is the reason,
So
not
none
a
of the
civil
above is right, sir.
litigation. It is not a natural litigation. It is not a tort litigation. It is not a religious litigation. None of the above is the right answer. It is a constitutional litigation.
None of
That
the
is the
above is
reason
right.
that we will file it directly to the court, High Court or Supreme Court, and different articles. Yeah, now the ninth question in the next order in the public interest litigation means a dash initiated in a court of law for the enforcement of the public interest or general interest in which the public or the class of the community have a pecuniary interest or some interest by which their legal rights or liabilities are affected. A. Ethical action. B. Moral action. C. Legal action. D. Customary action.
The C, sir.
C, sir. Legal action.
It is a C is the right answer. So Chandak Sneha and Aksab both have given the right answer for the C. It is a legal action. Okay. Transparency in dash and fair judicial actions are the right answer to check increasing menace of the violation of the legal rights. A. Private life. B. Public life. C. Mixed life. D. Ethical life.
Public life, sir.
It is a public life. That is the right answer. Akshab, you also scored like a Premiela today. Okay, now this is, I think we repeated this one. A public interest litigation can be filed in any that we said already.
Yes.
High Court,
Yes, sir.
directly in the Supreme Court, first Supreme Court and later High Court, or both and AB. Then the answer is both and
D,
AB
sir,
is the right
D.
answer. Actually, public interest litigation, even though public cases can be there in 113 of the CPC, but not the public interest litigation. That the public case is different from the public interest litigation. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now in the case of Kushma Lata versus Union of India, challenge in this appeal is to the judgment rendered by the division bench of the Allahabad High Court with the writ petition styled as a public interest litigation in short PAL was held to be. Now you tell me in the judgment what happened. Maintainable and was allowed, or not maintainable and was dismissed, or dismissed and maintainable, or maintainable and dismissed. Closely watch, you know the answer.
Sir,
See,
B, sir, not maintainable was dismissed.
yes, because when you dismissed, then there is no question of maintainability. When a maintainability is there, you cannot dismiss it over there. At any cost, deductive method, if you apply it, C and D never will be the answer. Okay, now we will come to the A and B. Because whether the maintainable and was not allowed or not maintainable and missed. So generally, when a question is asked over there, we say, if maintainable is there, generally question will not be asked over there. When it is not maintainable, only the question will be framed over there. A logic, this I am speaking about the logic. So not maintainable and was dismissed is the right answer for that regard. Still, we do have that. Yes. Now, in India, we call this public interest litigation, and in the United States of America, we call this as A. Class representative suit. B. Social interest litigation. C. Community interest litigation. D. Sector interest litigation.
C, sir, community.
No.
Sir, B, sir, B.
Public
Social
interest,
interest
sir.
litigation, sir.
Yes,
Public interest.
Sajjar and the other is right. Social interest litigation.
Yeah.
But sometimes we can also say class representative suit also, but appropriate word is social interest litigation.
Your public in private.
Sir, public interest in litigation only they will say na.
No, in India we will say.
In India also social.
Sir,
India will
same
say.
also, sir.
And of course same, but the wordings are different. Wordings are different.
What PL they will call,
Nomenclature is different.
they call SIL.
Nomenclature is different somewhere. SIL they will say, that the social interest litigation they will say, not pill. SIL they will say. For instance, you say, we say petrol here.
Our bill consists of all, sir.
Yeah,
Social interest litigation.
okay. But in India, we say petrol. But what do you say in UK or USA?
Gas, gasoline, gas.
You say in some place benzene.
What is
They
it?
say benzene. Am I right? That's all.
Yes.
See, some places gasoline they will say, but gasoline, I believe the gasoline says in the other European countries. But benzene
No, sir.
say it.
Mostly in USA they'll say gas or gasoline because I have.
Oh, okay,
known
gas
many
or
people.
gasoline. Okay, I do admit it. But they also say the benzene. So it is
Benzene
nomenclature
was
is different.
actually it's a traditional word in 1960s, sir.
Yes, yes.
After
it-
1960s,
yes.
it's gasoline.
Yes, yes, I do. But originally they say benzene, but later on they say the gasoline over there. Okay, now the court now still would have some 5 minutes in our hand. The court now permits public interest litigation in the instance of the public spirited citizens for the enforcement of the constitutional and legal right of any person or a group of persons who became, because of their socially or economically disadvantaged position, are unable to approach the court for relief, was observed in the case of C. MC Mehta versus Union of India. B. People's Union Democratic Rights versus Union of India. Still we do have 5 minutes. And Kushum Lata versus Union of India. And D. Both A and C is correct.
A and C correct, sir. D.
D, sir, D.
It is A and C
MC
is
Mehta
correct.
versus
That is
Union
the
of
right
India.
answer. It is the People's Union of Democratic Rights for the Union of India versus Kushma Lata versus Union of India, where this was observed. What matters or issues are covered under the PAL for
Answer is
adjudication?
both and.
Dr. Sir, do you want to add anything?
No, sir. What is that? Is correct.
Our right answer is D. That means both A and C. That means MC Mehta is correct and People's Union for Democratic Right is correct. No. A and C means MC Mehta is correct and C is Kusum Lata versus Union of India is correct. Both are correct, A and C. Okay, now what matters or issues are covered under the PEL for adjudication? Bonded labor, neglected children, non-payment of minimum wages under casual labor, or all of the above?
All of the above, sir.
Above, sir.
Yes, all of the above generally will not be covered over there. We can say matters issues are covered under the PL for all of the above. Will be covered over there under PL for the education.
All of this, sir.
Yes, all of the above will be the right answer. The following only one were not covered by the PAL. Petition against the police for the refusing to register a case or harassment.
C, sir.
B,
Petition
landlord
for
and
non
tenant
riot
matter.
victims.
And C, petition for riot victims. And D, family pension.
C, sir.
Petitions from riot victims, sir.
No,
C.
the landlord and
Landlord,
tenant
sir.
matters.
B, sir.
That the B would be the answer for that one. But other thing, this took the cognizance and treated a following the two cases, in which the case law letter was addressed to the Supreme Court of India, took the cognizance and treated as a writ in the following two cases. Only letter is treated as a cognizance they have taken and they treated as a writ. In which case laws? Two case laws it is happened. What are the two case laws? It is Miss Veena Sethi versus State of Bihar, treated a letter addressed to the judge of court by Free Legal Aid Committee, Hazaribagh, and Sri Kuldeep Nair, a journalist, his capacity, President of India, President of Citizens of Democracy, to judge the court, and he said, and the terrorist Tada, and it was treated as a petition under the Article 32 of the Constitution of India. So, what is the answer for this one? Veena Sethi versus
State of Bihar and Citizens of
S.P. Gupta
Democracy.
versus Union of India. A letter is treated as a writ. A letter
Okay.
is treated as a writ. So that was the coming over there. Now, I would like to say thanks to you for the patient listening. Still, at any time, it can be closed over there. And if you want to say anything, you can say anything now. Because tomorrow, that relax. Of course, on exam day, please don't read. But other days you can read. But exam day, please don't read. Number one. Number two, exam day, don't carry any books with you. Better in these
Sir,
days.
can you continue the classes tomorrow also?
Tomorrow I am traveling. I will be there in Kottagudem. If I don't know whether time permits, I will inform you in advance. And if you don't permit, then I will tell you. But anything I will tell you in advance, whether tomorrow class is there or not. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, tomorrow also I will brush up some other things which I feel it more important to the students in
Yes, sir.
in many point of view, or we can also deal the old question papers. It also gives
Yes.
us the old question papers. If you can do it, no, it also gives some certain grip to us. And see, all the point is we have to know the equation. That is very important factor. On what equation that examiner framed the question. If you know the pulse of it, I am sure that you definitely will do the exam. And these equations, we can do it only at that instance only when we go through the question papers and we can know it, okay, the question may be asked